Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another topic. This topic is how much will it cost? And question number key and 3 and understanding what insurance coverage costs to is actually quite and complicated. In overview and review, we talk and about and planning and premium to enroll in a plan. This is an up and phone cost to that and transmit to have it. I and you know how much and many to pay. And unfortunately, and from most and plan, this is not an only cost and associate with the care you and receive. There is also typically co and assess insurance assess care and such as cost and capture as disabilities and under copies and defending flow and the represent in this year too. And key question number 3 and how much and will it cost and understanding what insurance coverage cost is and quite and complicated in overview is the talk about and planning a premium to an enroll in plan. This is an up and phone cost to that and transfer to enjoy it and you know how much to pay and unfortunately and pay off many plan and this is not an only cost association and with the gear use receive is also typically question is assessed gear such as cost capture and detectable and any copies and defend the definition of below and represent is share on how to much will it cost? Understanding what is insurance coverage cost is actually quite and complicated in over review and we talk about paying and premium to enroll in plan and this is an up and phone cost that the transparent or you in IE and know how to much and you pay and unfortunately and you most plan and this is not an only cost and associations with the care and reviews receive and these are there also and typically cost and assess and such as cost capture and detectable and consciousness and our copies and see definition flow and represent the share you and pay out and your own pocket when you receive care and a general rule to thumb and more pay in the premium font in less we will pay and when you assess care the less you pay and premium they are more will pay and when you assess care the question for and your student is pay and large share and or pay and larger share later either way too and they will pay on cost of care you receive. We have taken the approach that the better in share and upfront premium to minimize and your maximize and cost there including in time of services. With care received, there is also typically cost you are and assess care and such as cost capture and detectable and consciousness and can copies and definition blow and represent to and share and you and pay out of honor. Pocket and receive care and journal and near topically and share is and copies and see definition and represent share to and pay out and on pocket when receive care and are near or thumb and pay out and when you receive care as a general rule of thumb the more you pay and in premium upfront the less we will pay when you assess care and the less pay in premium the more the pay in you assess care and the question is pay and large and to pay is larger and second latter either you will pay is cost care and receive you have taken the approach that it is this is the better to pay to larger share is the upfront premium minimize as much as possible cost in including in time of services the reason of overthinking that we don't want to barrier to care and copy and the airtime services and discarding student and getting this care and want to disadvantage assess medical care and advantage. The question for the student is pay to larger and no pay larger share latter and either way to will pay and cost of care receive. We have taken the approach that the better to large and share in upfront premium and maximize and with possible and cost the increase and time services. The reason of for air and thinking is that don't and barrier care and copy that with services discretions and student of we want to student assess medical care where is not needed. Keep supporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel and Hafiz.